Hello and welcome to this video on securing your Windows 11 Pro installation after a compromise. In this video, we will go over the steps you can take to ensure the privacy and security of your computer, including how to remove any spyware, trojans, adware, or rootkits, how to block Microsoft from accessing your computer, and which programs can help with these tasks. We will also discuss which services you can safely turn off to block possible intrusions. First, it is important to understand the signs of an intrusion. These can include unusual pop-ups or ads appearing on your screen, programs or files that you did not install appearing on your computer running slower than usual, programs or files that you did not install appearing in your startup menu, your home page, search engine, or other browser settings being changed without your knowledge. If you notice any of these signs, it is important to take immediate action to secure your computer. The first step in securing your computer is to run a full scan using an antivirus program. We recommend using a program such as Malwarebytes or Norton Antivirus. These programs will scan your computer for any malware and remove it if it is found. Next, you should run a program such as adware Cleaner or CCleaner to remove any adware or unwanted programs from your computer. These programs will scan your computer for any unwanted software and remove it if it is found. In addition to Malwarebytes, Norton Antivirus, adware Cleaner, and CCleaner, there are several other programs that can help you battle hackers on your system. Windows Defender. Windows 11 Pro already includes a built-in antivirus program called Windows Defender. It can be accessed by going to the Settings app, navigating to the Update and Security section, and then selecting Windows Security. Windows Defender can be used to scan your computer for malware and remove it if it is found. Spybot Search and Destroy. This is a powerful anti-spyware program that can detect and remove spyware, adware, and other unwanted software from your computer. Hitman Pro. This program is designed to detect and remove malware that traditional antivirus programs may miss. It can detect and remove rootkits, keyloggers, and other advanced malware that can evade detection by traditional antivirus programs. Norton Power Eraser. This program is designed to detect and remove deeply embedded and difficult to remove malware. It uses aggressive methods to detect and remove malware that may be missed by other anti-malware programs. Komodo Antivirus. This program is a powerful antivirus and anti-malware program that can detect and remove malware, viruses, and other unwanted software from your computer. Zone Alarm. This program is a firewall that can be used to block incoming and outgoing network traffic, preventing hackers from accessing your computer. It's important to note that even with these tools, it is important to be vigilant and practice safe browsing habits to keep your computer as safe as possible. After removing any malware or adware, it is important to review your privacy settings. In Windows 11 Pro, you can go to the Settings app and navigate to the Privacy section. Here, you can adjust settings such as location tracking, camera and microphone access, and the data that is collected by Microsoft. To block Microsoft from accessing your computer, you can go to the Settings app and navigate to the Update and Security section. Under the Windows Update tab, you can choose to pause updates for up to 35 days. Additionally, you can also turn off certain services that may be used by attackers to gain access to your computer. These services include Remote Desktop, Remote Assistance, and Remote Registry. To turn off these services, go to the Services app, services.msc, and locate the service you want to turn off. Right-click on the service and select Properties. Under the General tab, change the startup type to Disabled and click Apply. Finally, it is important to install a program such as Glasswire or Little Snitch to monitor your network activity and alert you to any suspicious activity. This will give you an additional layer of protection and allow you to quickly identify any potential intrusions. In conclusion, securing your Windows 11 Pro installation after a compromise is an important step in protecting your privacy and your computer. By running antivirus and adware removal programs, reviewing your privacy settings, blocking Microsoft from accessing your computer, and turning off certain services, you can greatly reduce the risk of an intrusion. Additionally, monitoring your network activity with a program such as Glasswire or Little Snitch can give you an additional layer of protection. We hope you found this video helpful and we look forward to your questions and comments. Links to the software mentioned in the video are found in the descriptions.